Let's hang out. Let's hang out. Let's meet up. Let's meet up. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Let's go to a cafe. Let's go to a cafe. Let's go to a restaurant. Let's go to a restaurant. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to a concert. Let's go to a concert. Let's go to a party. Let's go to a party. Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight? Are you busy? Are you busy? Are you free this weekend? Are you free this weekend? Do you want to come over? Do you want to come over? Do you want to watch a movie? Do you want to watch a movie? Do you want to grab coffee? Do you want to grab coffee? Do you want to eat out? Do you want to eat out? Do you want to play games? Do you want to play games? Do you want to go for a run? Do you want to go for a run? Do you want to go out? Do you want to go out? I'm free tonight. I'm free tonight. I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now. I can't go. I can't go. I'll join you later. I'll join you later. I'd love to. I'd love to.